Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we are mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, now we are mixing the color of blue. And first we are coloring the alphabet of A. Now we are using blue color. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. The alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. The next one is L. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, the next one is O. We are again using the color of blue. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. P for penguin. Subscribe to our channel. Q for queen. And R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. V for van. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. And Y for yolk. Kids, the last one is Z. Z for zoo and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.